72 hours after a shootout at the Seven Angels Ministries compound. 7 members of the church died in the shootout. Since the arrests, the church has also dissolved. Strict security measures are expected to be in place at the court today. The public gallery is also expected to be packed as interest in the case remains high. Our reporter Zimkhita Manqinana recaps on the shocking event that baffled the whole nation and what has happened to the church since then.
The Mancoba Seven Angels Ministries Church, a spiritual home for some, but for many, a place they wish never existed. The church was against education and civilization.
But the first time I looked at school, that's year I school, but in the realized by man I can't ban a school because school Mnyango Fulago song now, so Nanda quit Ngcobo, Ndamga no fund and no fund the going and Tibashia Bekelpa, there's a continuation because it's siblings Amazon cruelly apakle.
Warrant Officer Zukombini, Constable Sbongseini Sandlana, and Constable Ngospendulo Pongo were gunned down inside the Ngcobo police station. Constable Zukoncheko and Constable Mthatha were hijacked in their police vehicle and murdered. Their bodies were dumped not far from the church. The 6th victim, Freddy Mpandeni's killer, is still unknown. The suspects were arrested on the church's premises. Families of the deceased officers say the law is not tough enough on criminals.
If they can bring back the death penalty, all this thing can go away. The government must make a referendum about death penalties. Because those people there are just theorizing. Because they never lost their children or their loved ones like this way. Oh, Mama, Pelile. But I'm supporting her as a head of the family.
The trial begins in the Mthatha High Court on Monday.
The 6 men charged with the murder of policemen emanating from the attack on the Ngcobo police station will appear on Monday, the 5th of November, at the Mthatha High Court.
Since the murders, the congregants were told to go to their respective homes. Scores of children were rescued during their arrest and taken to a place of safety.
The state, on the other hand, has to ensure that those children are protected. And that is why we are working very, very close with the Department of Social Development. The social workers of this area are doing their level best to ensure that these kids are registered, and we are trying to see how best can we have these children registered or enrolled in school.
Sexual assaults on children is also alleged to have taken place at the church. One of the church leaders, Banele Mancoba, is facing a separate charge of sexual assault. Zimkhita Manqinana, SABC News, Eastern Cape.